Hello, I'm in a 2013 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to set your time on your dash display. So first, to make sure the vehicle is on, which it is, and then you can go to settings by just spinning this, or by just clicking through the settings and then press and hold. Now this will scroll, so go to clock, press. If you want military time like it is now, or you can switch it to 12 like this, select, and then you can change what the time is and set clock. And just scroll here, press minutes to whatever it is, press, and then if you just don't want to see it at all on here, you can just turn it off. It goes away. But that's it. I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.